Today I will demonstrate how to replace the electroporous junction known as the Wick stick. This junction is a conductive interface between the chemical core and your test media solution. Its size makes it compatible with all of Koslow's skinny size electrodes. Mercury-filled electrodes have a clay-like consistency. Silver electrodes are liquid-filled. Before we begin, let's gather our supplies. In your electrode kit, you will find a bottle of Koslow refill solution, a pipette, and a flask. You will also need a paper towel and a beaker. You may also want to work in a well-ventilated area and consult your SDS for applicable PPE. Here is a silver sulfate electrode that needs attention. Properly discard the existing solution and the old plug. Then, fill the narrow pipette with electrolytes. Insert the pipette until it reaches low into the electrode. Fill the electrolyte to the top. Make sure that you tap out any air bubbles. Insert the wick stick into the tip of the electrode, twisting gently. You may notice some displacement. Use the paper towel to catch the overspill. Next, set it into a flask or beaker with the compatible electrolyte for a few minutes to get thoroughly wet. Then, with a voltmeter, compare it to a known standard redox potential to ensure the tip change is successful. The mercury electrodes are more prone to losing conductivity because the wick stick contains a good amount of the solution. So when the old tip is discarded and a new tip is replaced, it may need to be pre-soaked. Or you can add a drop of replacement solution before inserting the stick. In addition, it's essential to twist to help the solution permeate the paste. Test the probe with a voltmeter by comparing it to a known redox potential to ensure the wick stick change is successful. Visit Koslow.com for more information, and thank you for watching.